Let me show you how to use a screen of gestures on a Realme GT7 Pro. So first we need to open our settings. Then navigate all the way down and enter accessibility and convenience. When we scroll down again, there's the gestures and motions, and we have screen of gestures. There's a bunch of different settings inside. Make sure it's activated, and then we're going to try to cover them all at the end. First, let me show you, let me read you through those options. So we have double tap to turn on and off screen, draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on or off flashlight, music control, and different draw gestures that you can use to open certain things. So if we activate draw arrow up, we can select a different function for it, like unlock our device, make a call to specific person, or open a specific app. And you can do this with different gestures with M and W as well. Now let me cover them all. So we can lock our device, double tap to wake up our screen, double tap to lock it. Then there's draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on flashlight, then there was a arrow up to open the app that I selected. We need to unlock our phone and it should open that specific app. It launched the settings. And there was also music control, so you can control the music by drawing pause to play or pause that multimedia. You can draw arrow to the right to play next track, or draw arrow to the left to play previous track. And that is everything with screen of gestures on this device.